So hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So the previous lectures I have told you the few mathematical topics of physics which might disturb you while doing the questions like vectors, differentiation, integration. Today again a very small topic called slope and area under curve. We are going to discuss these two topics today. So let's start. Let me do the full screen for you. Let's just now start the topic which I have told you right now, that we are going to discuss about slope of a graph, and the other one is area under curve. ये आपको एक्चुअल में 9th क्लास में पढ़ाया जाता है, बट ये डिस्टर्ब आपको करता है कब? When you are in 11th class, when you just start kinematics, it will start disturbing you. So you have to understand these two topics. The two topics are, first is slope of a graph and the other is area under curve. Okay. So let me define these two topics in a very simple manner for you. All of you are aware of the graphs. Like we have graph like this that we need to draw a y coordinate and a x coordinate. Okay. In both the lines, I am drawing a y coordinate. We make this a little smaller. Y coordinate and x coordinate. Okay. So let me put the names here. This one is your y coordinate and this one is your x coordinate. Okay. Y coordinate and x coordinate. If you want to write the slope of a graph, like if you want to write the slope of a graph, then you have to write like slope of a graph is equals to, here I'm writing, is equals to y divided by x. Okay, you have to remember this. And area under curve means y into x, that you have to multiply. In the slope you have to divide, and in the area under curve section you have to multiply. Now see, in physics you have, in kinematics, in physics kinematics, you have 3-4 terms which you need to remember. First is S. S stands for displacement. V stands for velocity or speed. A stands for acceleration. And T stands for time. Okay. What is S here? S is your displacement. I'm writing here so that you can understand. V is your velocity. A is your acceleration. And T is your time. So this time is always on the x-axis because everything varies with time. The time is always on the x-axis. And on y-axis, you can have S for displacement, V for speed or velocity, or A for acceleration. इन तीनों में से कोई भी हो सकता है y पे. It could be S, V, and A. So according to your formula, the slope of the graph you will write, like slope of the graph you can write like this. Slope of a graph. You can write like this, slope of a graph, which is the formula is y divided by x. अगर y पे displacement है, you will write displacement. X पे तो हमेशा time ही होगा. अगर y पे आपने velocity रखी है, then you have to write velocity upon time. अगर acceleration रखा है, तो you will write acceleration upon time. Okay. Here, if you have to write area under curve, so according to the formula, y into x. X तो हमारा constant है. Okay, x is always time. So you will write either you will write s into t, or you will write v into t, or you can write a into t. Okay, these are the formulas. I'm not saying this s by t is equals to v by t is equals to a by t. I'm saying they all are slopes. Okay, they all are slopes, and these three formulas are for area under curve. Now you all know the formula of, you all know few formulas. Let me write here. Let me write here only. You know, velocity is equals to displacement upon time. So you can write displacement is equals to velocity into time. You can see these formulas in this figure. Yeah, yes, you can find out there. S by t मिल गया and v into t भी मिल गया. तो ये तो actual में formula हैं. Then you can write acceleration is equals to velocity upon time. So from here you can write velocity is equals to acceleration into of time. You see v by t, yes, v by t is here, and you can say a into t is here. बाकी आपके formula नहीं है, तो a by t is not a formula, s into t is not a formula. So if on the y-axis there is displacement and on the x-axis there is time, so s by 2 t is your velocity, and the velocity is given by slope of the graph. Like if you will write slope of the graph, you will write v by t and you will get acceleration. So find कैसे करते हैं? ये तो हो गया theory. This is completely the theory of the slope and area under curve. So how you can find these sections? So let me erase few of them. Okay, let me erase these formulas. Okay. Okay. अगर मान लो आपकी जो वैल्यू है v और t की, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने फॉर्मूले लिखे थे, आई होप आपने राइट आउट करा होगा. तो अगर आपने फाइंड करना है एक्सेलरेशन, तो यू विल राइट v by t. तो v by t क्या है? एक्चुअल में स्लोप है ग्राफ का, एंड स्लोप आप r कैसे भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. देखो, लेट मी a line here. Okay, if this angle is theta, then this is the perpendicular and this is the base. The perpendicular by base, that is y by perpendicular by base भी क्या हो गया? y by x, and ये सारे क्या हैं? tan theta. So you can write tan theta as slope also. You can find the tan theta and you will find the slope, and if you find the slope you will find the v by t, and if you will find the v by t you will find the acceleration. Got it? अगर आपने slope find करना है, you go for the sin theta. If theta is mentioned over there, you find the sin theta, sorry, tan theta, you will get v by t, and what is v by t? Acceleration. So with the help of slope you can find the acceleration in this section. Okay, if you have to write velocity, you will write s by t. Again, what is s by t here? S by t is the slope, and slope could be tan theta. In this case, if you will find tan theta, you will find the slope, you will find s by t, and then you will find the velocity. Same if you will come to this section, like a is equals to v by t, v is equals to a into t. If you will find a into t, you will find the area. If you find the area, you will find a into t, and then you will find velocity. Okay, fine. Same if you will write s is equals to v into t. If you want to find the displacement, you need to find v into t, and what is v into t? V into t is the area. Okay, अगर आपको एरिया के जैसे क्वेश्चंस कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं लाइक हमारे पास जो डाटा अवेलेबल होता है, अगर मेरे पास एरिया का डाटा अवेलेबल है, मान लो अगर मैंने इस सेक्शन में, जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल, ये सबको हटाता हूं मैं, मान लो यहाँ मुझे वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू गिवन है और इस तरह में टाइम गिवन है, और वेलोसिटी ऐसा है लाइक दिस. वेलोसिटी की जो वैल्यू गिवन है उससे ग्राफ मेरा कुछ ऐसा बनता है, और मान लो ये एक रेक्टेंगल है, ये दिस इज, you can say this is 1 2 3 4, time is 4 seconds here, and you can write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Velocity is 5 meter per second. तो अगर मैंने एरिया फाइंड करना है तो व्हाट आई विल फाइंड, एरिया आई विल फाइंड 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is my 20. ओके, तो ये 20 क्या हो जाएगा मेरा, मैंने एरिया फाइंड करा v into t से, तो मैंने एरिया फाइंड कर लिया 20. तो एक्चुअली मैंने एरिया फाइंड करा, बट फाइंड क्या करा, v into t, and v into t क्या है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इफ यू want to find the displacement, you can use the area under curve section. ओके, सिंपल. तो एरिया अंडर कर्व क्या है, सिंपल अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो एरिया अंडर कर्व कुछ भी नहीं है, ये y एक्सिस को जब आप x एक्सिस के साथ इनटू करते हो, you will get the area under curve, and जब आप y को x के साथ डिवाइड करते हो, then you get the slope of the graph. What is slope? Slope is tan theta. Okay. So अगर आपको क्विक रिवीजन के लिए बोलूं तो आपके पास कुछ फॉर्मूले हैं, like acceleration is equals to velocity upon time, और अगर आपका ग्राफ वेलोसिटी और टाइम का ग्राफ है तो यहाँ पे यू विल सी कि ग्राफ का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, एंड यू विल फाइंड द tan theta and you will get v by t and you will get acceleration. If you want to find v is equals to velocity, then you will multiply acceleration with time, then you will go to the graph. अगर ये acceleration versus time का ग्राफ है, ग्राफ का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, मान लो अगर ग्राफ का स्ट्रक्चर ट्रायंगल है और ये लेंथ जो है 2 है, ये 4 है, तो how I will find the area of a triangle, half into base into of height. This 2 will cancel 2, you will get area as 4, and this area will be your velocity. Got it? So by the help of slope and area under curve, you can solve a lot of problems. When you will see the actual problem, you will find out the way, and जब आपको पता चल जाएगा solve कैसे करना है, then it will become easy to apply the rules. Okay, so first time when you see this concept of area and slope, the question is when you have seen the first time this concept, 9th class, remember. And topic क्या था, topic was where you must have proved that equations of motion by graphical method, that v is equals to u plus of at, b square is equals to u square plus of 2as, and s is equals to ut plus of half at square. So you can see this section in my YouTube channel. I have also proved these formulas with the help of area under curve and slope. तो आप उस वीडियो से भी सीख सकते हो, एंड ये वीडियो भी काफी है आपको एरिया अंडर कर्व एंड स्लोप को बताने के लिए. So thank you so much guys.